think in terms of the research that goes on at the University of Oregon, we're well respected because of our integrative sciences, where we've got people who are working in their own independent fields but are very willing to listen and talk with one another. And so someone who's working on neuroscience to understand how neurons interact to form a brain that functions are willing to talk with and learn from and enjoy a conversation with someone who's studying the interactions between microbes and their gut of a human, and say, well, what are the similarities here between what you study and what I study? And from that, at the minimum comes a good conversation over a beer, and often, though, it becomes a new research direction. Really just a group of us who are biologists who are focused on a variety of different aspects of complex networks of interactions of neurons and cells and microbes. How do those things actually function? What's the mechanistic basis behind the functioning? What's similar between how neurons in a brain function and microbes in a gut function? Yeah, so the Eagle is a pub in England where they basically Watson and Crick would go and discuss and eventually, when the structure of DNA was solved by them, significant help from Rosalind Franklin, she was one of the first ones to actually develop the images that then Watson and Crick were able to look at. They actually went to the pub and said, we've actually discovered I forget what the exact words are, the secret of life, but it was announced there. Particular connection here at the U of O, Falling Sky is a brew pub downtown Eugene. One of the co-founders was Jason Carrier, who actually works in our genomics core facility on the University of Oregon's campus. Came here from Stanford to work part-time at the university and also to follow his passion for developing beer. So we have a direct connection between the life scientists on campus and genomics and making beer in Eugene with quite a good, Falling Sky is quite good. Good place to discuss research.